In today's video, I'll be replacing the windshield wipers on the driver and passenger side of my 2017 Toyota 4Runner. This video is going to be applicable for all 5th generation 4Runners running from the 2010 to present 2020 model year. So these are the blades I'll be using on the 4Runner. You can see that they're a Michelin product, the Stealth XT premium hybrid blade. You can see for the driver's side, we've got a 24-inch or 600mm blade, and then for the passenger side, 20-inch or 500mm. So the brand's not going to matter all that much. Number of good blade options out there. Key is that you need that 20-inch and 24-inch blades. So we'll start on the driver's side here. You'll see there's a little clip here that needs to pry out. You can do that with a fingernail or very gently with a flathead screwdriver. So I'll just pry this in there, twist it slightly, get my finger in there, and we've got that clip up. Next step will be to just push down on the windshield wiper blade and twist it out off the vehicle. Once we've done that, we also want to do the same thing on the passenger side. So when you take the blade out of the packaging, you'll see that there are 3 different adapters. We actually don't need any of those because of the type of installation we're doing here. It's a hook installation, so we can do it just with the blade as is. So in order to install it, we're going to take it positioned like this, and we're just going to slide it onto that hook, and then we're going to twist it to basically 90 degrees and then just pull outward until we hear that click. Then we just rotate it back down and gently put the wiper back down on the window. Repeat the same process on the passenger side. So that's an install of the windshield wipers on a 2017 Toyota 4Runner. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the section below. For more 4Runner videos, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.